Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Wang, and today I'm giving you part 2 of the birthday makeup series. Alright guys, so today I'll be doing a pink glitter eye look. Alright, so I already did my eyebrows off camera. You can check out, I have 3 eyebrow tutorials. You can check out those on my page to see how I got my eyebrows. I primed my eyes because guys, you have to first prime your eyes before you go ahead and apply your eyeshadow. The eyeshadow will not look even, the eyeshadow will not stick properly on your eyelids if you don't first prime your eyes. Like so many times I start applying eyeshadow to my eyes and I'm like, wow, I didn't put any. I was like, how this looks so? And then I realized I don't prime my eyes. I haven't primed my eyes yet. So guys, just note you need to prime your eyes before applying your eyeshadow. So I use my Juvia's Place palette to get my transition shade. I use the purple from the palette, that dark purple from the palette, and pink, that bright pink from the palette. I use that as well. I used it above the purple to get that gradient effect between the purple and the pink. I do a cut crease. Y'all know I live for cut creases, so I did a cut crease using my P. Louise Rumor 1 base. I live for that base. Like, it never creases up on me. It's just always doing me good. So I use my P. Louise base, Rumor 1 base, and I am now applying some pink on my eyelids, that light pink from the Crayon Case palette. That is what I used to get that pink on my eyelids. I am now going in with my eyeliner. I line my eyes and I am due a eyelash tutorial by now. I know guys, because this is one of the steps that I do when applying my lash. It's like a guide. So you apply your liner and then you apply your lash on the liner. So you use the liner as a guide to know where to apply your lashes. So I am now applying my glitters, and I got these glitters from Beauty Mart by Wang. Guys, these little glitters are so good. Yeah, so I am putting glitters all over my lids today. I use my NYX glitter primer to prime my eyes before applying the glitters, so the glitters stick when I use the glitter primer. Alright, so I did a little bit of color correcting because I have some trouble spots, or I have some dark spots, and I use an orange corrector because the orange corrector helps to even those spots out and give me an even tone when I apply my foundation. Alright, so I am now applying liner. After applying my lashes, which I added off camera, I apply my liner and I do go ahead and try to like close my eyes and look to see if they are even, because sometimes I just don't get them right. I didn't get them 100% right in this video either, so I guess that's something that you need to check for when you're doing your makeup. Like I did the liner, but one was thicker than the other. Alright, so I sometimes close my eyes to see how even they are. So I apply my liner again over the lashes because I want the lashes and the eyeshadow to blend in seamlessly. You don't want to have that edge from the lash showing and then eyeshadow. So when you apply the liner, it just makes everything blend in seamlessly, guys. So for my face, I used my Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I'm using my Maybelline concealer for my highlights. Like when I'm stuck on using a certain product for a time period, it's like I'm just stuck on those, right? So I've been using these for a while, and I think that they do my face so good. I love how my face comes out when I use my Superstay foundation and the Maybelline concealer. I guess after a while your face gets used to as one kind of product, and then you switch it up a bit, and then you get used to it again, and then you have to switch. Because I was always using my LA Girl, and I'm always using my Fit Me foundation, but I'm not feeling them at the minute, so I changed to my Superstay as well. I love the Superstay because it gives you a fuller coverage than the Fit Me concealer foundation. I mean, the Fit Me foundation is really light coverage. Alright, so I am now doing my highlight and contour, and guys, this setting powder, the L'Oreal Hydra something, I'll put the name in the description. It is just so good. Ever since I discovered this setting powder, I haven't looked back on the Sacha Buttercup, and that was like the holy grail for me. I'm just so ungrateful, right? I haven't looked back at the Sacha Buttercup, but I think that this setting powder, I mean, is just so good because it is very lightweight. It is like it doesn't have that yellow undertone like the Sacha Buttercup. It's just, I don't know, I love it on my skin, and it does good for my skin as well. Like, it just blends in seamlessly. Like, I don't think there's no flashback when you use this setting powder. I think I'm gonna do a comparison with both, and then you can see and form your own assumptions about both. So I use my Morphe setting spray to set my face, and I love the Morphe as well because it's so lightweight, and yeah, it just gets my face set. It sets my face well. I guess. Guys, I was about to say something, but I don't remember. But yeah, I do nude lips, and I add a little bit of gloss because I don't know, I'm feeling glossy lips off late. So I use I just wanted to do something different with editing there. Now back to regular programming. I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit for my highlights, and these are the areas that I highlight. And I guess you're almost done with the look. I hope that you were able to follow through with this look and do it yourself, guys. I hope that you're able to follow when I'm doing these looks. If I really want for my tutorials to be beginner friendly, especially when I'm doing these simple makeup looks, I really don't want to abuse the word simple because it might be simple to me but not to others. But I think that this is pretty easy. Why am I talking Jewish? I think that this is pretty easy if there is something that you're not getting, or if you'd like to try any of these looks and there is something that you're not getting, then you can certainly hit me up, and I will, I don't know, give you whatever advice I can give you. But this is basically the end of the look. I'm just fine-tuning whatever areas need to be fine-tuned, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, so after removing the elastic from my edges, of course, dolls, you need to go ahead and blend your edges in with your face, and I just use my contour brush for that. So this is my end look. I really love the look, guys. Let me know your thoughts on this look in the comments, and don't forget to share my video, guys. I'm trying to get to 1K subscribers because that's the aim. Alright, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye.